Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to turn on lost mode on iPhone. So if at the end of this you find this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to turn on or activate lost mode on your iPhone, all you need to do is go ahead and open the Find My. So once you open the Find My application, this is what you're going to see. If you're on People, make sure you select Devices. If you're on Items, make sure you select Devices. Once you selected it, go ahead and select the name of your iPhone. And then scroll up, then you should see Lost iPhone, then select Lost Mode. Then you should see Lost Mode, go ahead and click on Activate. And then you want to hang on. Then instantly you should see Lost iPhone. This iPhone has been lost. Please call me. Now, whoever found your iPhone will not be able to use it except deposit typing your password. And then you are good. So that's exactly how to turn on lost mode on iPhone. If you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.